Welcome to Chaos. If you're familiar with a certain Redman song, you'll know what word I missed out there. I've got less than 7 days to be out of the garage. Technically I've got to be out by next Tuesday, week tomorrow, in my time. But in the meantime I've got, work to do and stuff like that. Kids to look after and all that stuff. So technically, or really, I've got less than a week. And so today I've finished dismantling all my shelves. They're all gone. They're now on the trailer. Sorted out all my nuts and bolts into bags. You can see some in the car there. Battery packs in there as well. Loaded the trailer up. I was just about to actually stick the hitch on the car when I realised it's got a flat tyre. So I had to pull the compressor off again. It's not such an easy job because, as I'll show you, the valve has decided to disappear inside the wheel rim. No valve, there's just a hole. And so I'm going to sack it off for today and come back tomorrow, hopefully with some moral support. Under here, big tarpaulin, keeping everything dry and secure. Lots of car parts. Z3 interior, carpets, doors, door card. At the front, 3 motors, or 2 motors and a Lexus gearbox, but which is technically 2 motors, so 4 motors. At the back, BMW Z3 rear axle. Round here, a welding table, all strapped down. And some boxes. You can see the chaos under there. Now, actually, I should probably move that red box because that's just going to slide straight off the front of the trailer, even with the tarpaulin. So I'll move that before it all gets locked down. Lots of bits down there. All my shelving, all laid out down there and strapped down. There'll be more straps going on before it moves. Unfortunately, as I've not done anything on the car today, I really hope to get that done quite quickly. And then get the battery box in, but I'm absolutely ravenous and I've missed the times for the butty shop round here, so I'm probably going to go home and get some lunch. But tomorrow, with a bit of luck, Owen can come and help me, and we can shift this over, get that into the container. Probably going to have to get a car mover to move this because it's not going to be taxed or insured for British roads, so I'm going to have, well, any roads, let alone British roads. So I'm going to get this rolling and driving by the end of the week, and then probably have someone come and move it Monday, Tuesday next week. Maybe by the end of this week if I can find someone who's available. But I need to get on its wheels first, and we can transfer it. Still got a few things to take down. I'm going to leave the shelves here, those shelves anyway. The whiteboard, my spanners, paints, but those can all go home into my home workbench. And yeah, so large, getting there. I'll be out this week. Still nothing immediate on the garage situation. Starting to see some candidates. Sadly, it looks like a lot of businesses going out of bust this month. So things are coming onto the market. So I'm going to keep looking. I think I've said the intention is to buy, but I'll rent if needs be. Still looking at how to finance buying somewhere. Various ways of doing it. So yeah. That's where I'm at. Very quick update, not very exciting, but yeah, this will be gone soon, and then it will be all about getting this thing driving. Catch you on the next one. Bye bye.